Looking for the best steam oven but not sure which one is actually worth your money? Today, we're ranking 5 popular steam ovens from the weakest to the absolute best, so you can find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Coming in at number 5, we have the OUNINUL-KXW16 0-180D1. This is the most compact model in today's lineup, and while it does offer steam cooking, it lands at the bottom of our ranking for a few important reasons. On paper, it looks pretty solid. You get a 16-quart capacity, which is enough for small family meals, and 1,800 watts of power, so it heats up quickly. It combines steam with air fry and baking functions, which means you can crisp the outside of your food while keeping the inside moist. For basic countertop cooking, it absolutely gets the job done. But here's the catch. Compared to the larger 24-liter and 25.4-quart models we'll talk about later, this one feels a bit limited in space. If you like cooking full chickens or larger trays of food, you may find yourself working in batches. And when we compare brand reliability and independent testing, this one simply doesn't have as much validation behind it as some of the stronger competitors. If you have a small kitchen and mainly cook for 1 or 2 people, this could be enough. But if you're thinking bigger meals or more versatility, you'll probably want to keep watching. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products from this review at the best prices in the description, right under the video. At number 4, we step up to the OUNINKXW240-160A. This one immediately improves on the previous model with a noticeably larger interior. With a 24-liter capacity, you get more flexibility for family-sized meals. You can fit larger dishes, pizzas, and whole chickens more comfortably. It combines steam, convection, and air fry functions, which means you can steam vegetables gently or roast meats with a crispy finish. Even though it runs at 1,600 watts, it still delivers strong cooking performance for most home kitchens. Compared to the smaller OUNIN we just covered, this feels more practical for families. But when we compare it to the higher-ranked ovens coming up, it still lacks some of the broader temperature flexibility and brand recognition that can matter long-term. It also takes up more counter space, so you'll want to measure before buying. If you want larger capacity without jumping into premium pricing, this is a reasonable middle ground choice. And if you're finding this review helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future comparisons. Now we're getting into the top 3, starting with the CIARRA Casso 24W at number 3. This one offers one of the largest capacities in today's lineup. At 25.4 quarts, you get serious space for family cooking. Whether it's a roast, multiple trays of vegetables, or meal prep for the week, this oven handles it comfortably. It also includes steam, air fry, and multiple cooking modes, plus a steam clean feature that makes maintenance easier. That's a nice bonus when you're using steam regularly. Compared to the OUNIN models, this one feels more refined and spacious. However, its maximum temperature tops out at 430 degrees, while some competitors reach 450 degrees. For most people, that difference won't matter, but if you love high heat roasting or certain baking styles, it's something to consider. This oven is ideal for larger households that want flexibility and capacity without going all the way to the most feature-packed model. If you want big space and strong versatility, this is a solid contender. In second place, we have the Toshiba MS3ST Kwaku 20SABK. And this is where brand trust and performance consistency start to shine. Even though its capacity is slightly smaller than the 25.4 quart models, it delivers 1,800 watts of power and combines steam with convection cooking in a compact footprint. That makes it perfect for kitchens where space is limited but performance still matters. Toshiba has a stronger reputation in small appliances, which adds confidence in build quality and long-term reliability. Compared to the CIARRA, you're sacrificing a bit of interior space, but you gain a more compact design and strong heating performance, For many home cooks, especially in apartments or smaller homes, that balance actually makes more sense. If you want a dependable steam oven from a well-known brand and don't need the biggest interior in the category, this is a great choice. But there's still one more oven that edges it out. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nuwave combination oven. This is the most well-rounded option in today's ranking. What really sets this oven apart is its wide temperature range, from 50 degrees all the way up to 450 degrees. That means you can go from gentle low-temperature cooking to high-heat roasting in the same unit. It also combines steam, air fry, baking, roasting, and even sous vide style cooking. That level of versatility makes it more than just a steam oven. It's practically a full cooking station on your counter. Yes, it has a 16-quart capacity, which isn't the largest here. But because of its flexibility, power, and detailed manufacturer specifications, it offers the best balance between performance, precision, and usability. Compared to the others, it simply feels more complete. If you want one appliance that can handle delicate steaming, crisp air frying, slow cooking, and high heat roasting, this is the top pick in today's lineup. If any of these steam ovens caught your eye, check out the links in the description under the video to see the top options at the best prices. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth product reviews.